not alone. Many people do not know how to change a tire. I am lucky to have been shown and been able to do it in practice and in real situations. This is an important skill for you to know, because if you are on your own and you get a flat, you need to know how to change it so that you can get to a town and to a tire shop. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change a tire for those of you who do not know how. We are going to see how to jack up a car, remove the spare, replace it with this, remove the flat, replace it with a spare, and finally lower the car again. First, we're going to jack the car up. When you're jacking the car up, you have to be careful to put it on metal and not plastic. Put it on plastic, it will damage your car and not lift it up. Just to make sure to put your jack on a flat surface so it won't roll. Next, we are going to remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Sometimes the lug nuts are tight, so it helps to have a breaker bar to help you loosen them. When you're taking the lug nuts off, you don't want to take them off one at a time. You want to loosen all of them and then to start taking them off. I have a lug nut that takes a key, so I have to use that for one of mine. Careful when removing the tires from the wheel hub, because remember your car is jacked up. Next, we're going to put the spare on. Once again, careful when putting it onto the wheel hub. Next, you're going to put the lug nuts back on. Now, when you tighten them, don't just tighten them randomly. Do it in the shape you'd make a star in it. Like that. So. Tightening the lug nuts in a star formation allows them all to be tightened evenly. Alright. Next, we just have to lower the car. Being able to change a flat is a very important skill. First, you jack up the car, then you remove the flat. Next, you add on the spare. Make sure to tighten all of the lug nuts in a star formation, and finally, you lower the car again. I hope you remember what I've said today, so that in the future, when you get a flat tire, you will be able to change your flat without any trouble. Thank you, and good luck changing your flats.